QuickManifolds is a vast cloud infrastructure for manifold design. Some call it a configurator. We like to describe it as a sales tool helping to connect with distributors and customers to accelerate the manifold design business. Our technology includes tools for circuit diagram, 3D component manipulation, auto design and drawing inspection. A user will sign up using a web browser. His role defines what he can do and watch in the system. The user will start with a project from scratch or from suggested application. After input all relevant attributes, he can start putting together his diagram. Finding a component is easy. Navigate through the folder structure, select a family, a symbol, or look at the datasheet. The envelope line defines the boundaries of our manifold, where we can put external ports. We try to make our system easy to use and intuitive. The user can find a symbol or a component, easily rotate, move, and connect the items in the diagram. User would be able to define the component by using a selector or a model code configurator. Connection lines are very easy. Automatic jumpers and connection dots are made, and no installation is required. Everything is done on a web browser. User will be able to define accessories for each component, like coils, fittings, connectors. When the circuit is complete by using all the drawing functionality provided, the user will be able to generate a part list and a port list. Some internal design rules will allow the user to start his design process. Vest developed a unique technology to pick and place 3D components in a web browser. Easy drag and drop of cavity and components in a manifold to specify preferred position for valves and external ports. We allow single-phase constraint, multi-phase constraint, alignment between cavity or fixed position of cavities in a manifold. But we are not forced to specify any constraint. Auto design will be able to deliver a 3D manifold in any case. Calling auto design is done through a command in WebCAD environment. The user will be able to define the preferred construction plugs for his design. Once the design is submitted, the project is locked, and the user will wait for the design to be completed. Design inspection is done through our online viewers. Internal viewer of the manifold allows the user to view with colors all the connections, all the construction plugs, and the measure distance and do some other verification of the design. We covered some aspects that are typical of manifold manufacturing, like intersection details, machining information of a cavity. We could also make almost a live machining drawing by showing each dimension for a face. Assembly Viewer is made to communicate the 3D assembly with our customer, allowing the user to check for manifold dimensions, external port position, assembly dimensions, and mounting hole positions. Some light manipulation of the assembly is now possible for coil rotation in the 3D model. QuickManifold delivers also a set of drawings, including a step of assembly and machining drawing of the manifold block. It is also possible to view the schematic in PDF or DWG, or get a quotation. Thank you for watching. You can request more information at sales@vestusa.com.